What's up everyone, Prince of Mania from Homes Rwanda, and welcome to another exciting episode. You know, whenever I have a beautiful home, I'm really pumped to tell you everything that is about that particular property. It's really the honor to present to you this particular property behind me. This is not your usual home. This is a 4-unit apartment complex. You have 2 units here at the forefront and 2 units at the back. Very perfect investment property for you today. Now, the setup of this particular area, this particular compound, we have a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom apartment units down here, and we have a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartment unit up there, and we have 2 studios behind, which is just very unique. The setup is nice. This particular compound, all in all, if you were to buy this, you know, they stand a chance at making you around $2,400 to $3,000 every single month. Because the area that we are in right now, it's in Kicukiro, Niboye, and it's a very perfect neighborhood for residential, for Airbnb. It's close to everything that you might need, very quiet environment, and just very perfect place to be. Now, this particular property behind me is on sale for $300,000 or 300 million Rwandan francs. And if you're interested in posting on this particular property, find our contact in the description down below. And also, before we start this episode, I want to thank our sponsor today, which is Kwanda Real Estate, sorry for that, Kwanda Real Estate, which is brokerage, real estate brokerage out here in Kigali that just have different deals. Check out their website in the description down below. And you know, without further ado, enjoy this episode. Now, starting our episode, we start from outside here. You see that this particular home is in a very nice neighborhood, asphalt road, really beautiful and serene environment. And if you remember our last video, we toured that particular property, which is also on sale for $250,000. It's a beautiful home, and if you click this link in the corner, either here or here, you'll get to see the full tour of this particular property. Now, you enter this compound by this sliding door, and you know, from the get-go, you just expect to see modern stuff happening. You have a beautiful garden on the side, which kind of complements the space really well. It's pretty welcoming, and as you enter, you have this sufficient parking space. You can put in here about 6 cars, which is really great. I bet that is like almost more than 1 parking space per unit, which is great. There's no garden space, unfortunately, but you have plantations around the compound, which kind of complements the space really good. And as you see this particular investment property, it's very inviting. The outside is really nice. You can see those type of designs up there, ventilation on the top floor with those grills, and you know, it's just very welcoming. Now, again, remember, the setup is that we have a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom unit down here with an open kitchen, and we have a 2 bedroom, 2 bath unit above there with a similar setup. We're gonna tour one of them just to save you time. You're gonna see everything about it, and then we'll step at the back where we'll check out again the studios that are there. Remember, this project is for sale for $300,000 or 300 million Rwandan francs, and it's just worth every single penny of that. Now, the accesses that we have for this particular unit is this one, and you can tell the separation is these beautiful vases right here, where you have the landing for that particular home. But you know, for the full beauty, to see the views and all, we're gonna tour the one upstairs, because I think you're gonna get the maximum experience. Now, coming this side, the access that we'll take to enter this particular area is this one. And entering this particular unit, you can see there is a door right here, just in case a single family can take up both the units. You know, they can have a connection in between, but it will be locked completely. And the access to this unit above is very welcoming. You have these side windows that goes all the way to the top. There are picture windows just to add extra touch of natural light. And it's not just that. You have these beautiful wall sconces. They are on the line, even up there. They kind of bring this modern texture to this particular space. I think it's really beautiful. Again, the stairs continue. So one little details I missed is these particular tiles that you have as you're coming in. The developer went with a beautiful combination. You have this particular wood looking tiles down here. You have a beautiful paint. I don't know how I can call this color, but it has a little bit of a green texture that is just hidden in there, and beautiful white ceilings above. Now when you come all the way to the top, we access this particular space, which is the landing for this particular unit. And again, this is where you get to get the views. The balcony completely just wraps on the very front. You have the balcony for the master bedroom of this particular unit on the other side. The wind is too much, it's about to rain. That's why I want to cover this episode as fast as we can. And entering this particular property, we have these sliding doors that tucks on the side, and it gives you access to this particular space, which is really, really nice. I love what they did. So this is your TV area slash living room. You can see it's quite a spacious living room for an apartment this size. And as you continue your transition to this open living room, open kitchen space with this center island, and the center island, it has white granite countertops and it's on wheels. So if you want to move it, you can move it, which is, I think it's a nice feature. You know, you can use it as a middle table, but again, you can use it in the kitchen to chop some onions if you're cooking. And the kitchen as well is really, really well organized, tons of storage space, beautiful, really beautiful kitchen. You have space for your fridge in here, covered and well paneled in. You have your double sink over here, double sink vanity space, and as well as your niche for your gas stove right here. White countertops, white granite countertops, beautiful ceilings. We have gypsum above with cove light detail, a nice chandelier in the middle. And starting with this particular bedroom right here to see what it's set up, we have quite a spacious bedroom for this particular area. You can see, you can fit a king-size bed in here, no problem at all. And it's not like you will lose space for your closet, because you have a built-in closet right here. Beautiful texture. I think it looks nice and it complements this particular space really well. Big window for natural light. Again, it's about to rain, so it's very dark out there. Sorry for that. And as we come back over here, we have this particular bathroom. The room is self-contained and the bathroom is good space. You have a rainy head above, your handheld over here, good choice of tiles of these walls, and I love the separation they did down here, which gives a distinct separation from this particular shower to the toilet, and this floating vanity right here with a beautiful mirror, great storage space over here, and very good particular bathroom for that bedroom. Now coming back here, we now access the master for this particular unit, which is over here. And again, the master is of a good size. You have very good space for this particular bedroom. You can fit a super king size bed over here, no problem at all. TV area on the other side, though no TV is currently plugged in, but you have all the necessary adapters down here. And it's not like you're gonna squeeze a closet in here, because you have closet space right here. Again, tons of storage space, taller than I am. I don't know how I can reach in there, but you gotta have extra storage space. And entering this side, we have its bathroom, which is as well very unique and spacious. Great space whichever size you are. This is great space. You have a window for ventilation and fresh air and natural light. Just as you're showering, you can peep at the airport and see who is landing. And you have your toilet right here and a floating vanity, similar setup to what we just saw on the other side. As a perk or added feature for this particular bedroom, you have a private balcony, and the private balcony is this one. Very beautiful. You can set up something, a good seat, chill out here. The neighborhood is very quiet, you know, in the evening, read something, drink something, just reflect on life and see how you can improve it and make it better. The views, you can see the airport is that side and it extends all the way to the other side. And you can say hi to the neighbors because it's beautiful. It's just very, very nice space. Now, coming back inside, we now head to the back of this property where we're gonna be seeing what the studios look like, and we're gonna access them through here. Now back to the ground floor, here at the parking, we're now gonna check out the back where we have 2 studios of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom each. But remember, the setup we just saw up there, it's what we have on this unit down here. So 2 units of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and a beautiful open living room. Now accessing this side, you know, you get these tiles that are non-slippery to give you just a good majestic access to the back. Again, you remember we have these skylights, no, I wouldn't call them skylights, but small picture windows as you climb up, and this as well complements this space nicely because you have really beautiful design that kind of reflect well on the outside. And as we're coming here at the back, you know, we get to see what the units look like. So we have 1 unit down here which has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and we have another unit up there with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and more of the perks that you have that are shared for all the compound. You have a laundry room, you have a maid's room, and an extra bathroom for the maids, shared tanks of water, so no splits. And again, the internet is already installed in this particular property, so each unit has its independent router that gives it entrance. Now, access to internet, access to internet. So climbing this, let's again toward the upper floor to see what it looks like. Climbing these stairs takes you to this particular unit, and you access this beautiful studio space. You have your sitting area over here. Usually studios, you don't need a lot of space. You don't need the dining area. You have it here. So you have your TV area / living space, living room over here. And again, it transitions just back here to this built-in kitchen where, again, very beautiful space. Tons of storage space for a studio of just 1 bedroom. You have your double sink over here, your stove space, your stove space over here, and you know, a little fridge space right here. But overall, tons of storage space for the space like this. And as we access this side, we have now access to the bedroom, which is as well spacious for this unit. I mean, look at this. This is a good size of a bedroom. I bet everybody who is thinking of setting up Airbnbs, which is a good business here in Rwanda, this is an opportunity for you. And as we come outside, let me try to slide this. We have a balcony that is shared by the bedroom, and as well, it goes almost, it comes almost all the way, but it blocks from here. So a very good balcony space for you. You can have a seat over here as well, or a laundry machine. You know, good space for this particular unit. Again, this is a mirror to what is down there. So whatever you see over here is reflected as we go to the bottom. We almost missed this bathroom. You have a large bathroom for this unit. I mean, this is a very, very huge studio or 1 bedroom apartment unit actually. I don't think it's a studio. So again, Very beautiful vanity, toilet, and a good shower. And as if they forgot, closet space, you have closet space over here, tons of storage space for just a single unit, a single bedroom unit. I think this unit is well set up, and again, remember what we have here is a mirror to what is down there, so you get to see the same. All right, everyone, that's it with that particular 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit we just toured. I'm just so happy that we got an opportunity to show you this particular property. If I can remind you, we have 2 units that have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms over here on this front home or front building, and we have 2 units of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom at the back right there, making it a 4 units apartment complex, if I might call it 4 unit. So it's just very good space. This particular area that it is in, you are looking at making about $2,400 to $3,000 monthly, and only at an investment of $300,000 or 300 million Rwandan francs. You can get this today. Find our contact details and Kwanda Real Estate contact details in the description down below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We post content like this on a regular basis. It was amazing. And if you're still watching, if you can click on this link right here, you can watch our tour of that particular property that we toured last time. It's also for sale for $300,000. Everybody, thank you so much for being with us. Until next time.